This is my sister, Viola.
Viola, you better finish up that homework before you gotta go to school. Should have been done yesterday.
Yes, Mother.
Veronica, your breakup was not that bad. You were going out with him for like a week. Get your butt up. Let's get ready for school. And clean your room, please. Let's go. And you better have done your homework. Like, it better be done. I mean it. Get up. Now. Children.
So that was my sister, Veronica, and this is my brother, Anthony.
Okay, my beautiful boy. Come on, please. Your alarm has gone off 3 times. Let's go. Come on. Let's go. Wake up. Please clean up this room. It's disgusting. Oh, gosh. Wake up. Children. Children, I tell you. I don't want to go to school. It's so annoying. Oh, school. I mean, you learn, I guess. Okay, my baby boy. Let's come on. Let's wake up. Gotta get ready for school. Okay, Mama, getting up right now. I promise. Right now. I just where'd my pillow go? Okay, yeah, I'm up. I'm up. I'm ready for school. Well, I gotta eat, brush my teeth, get dressed. Just let's go. Okay, come on. I'm coming, Mama. I'm coming. Oh, gosh. Mom, I gotta brush my teeth, okay? Excuse me. Excuse me. Just gonna jump up here. Okay. What have we talked about personal space? There's thousands of other bathrooms for you to use in this house. It's got my favorite toothpaste, and it's close to you, Mama. You are lucky that you are my baby, and I love you. Oh, sorry, Mom. Personal space. Just trying to brush my teeth here. Jeez, when will she ever learn? I am growing up to be a man. Anyways, I guess even men get kisses from their moms.
Almost done.
You better be done your homework.
Done. I am. Okay, shoes. There. Oh, these are so pretty. I look fabulous. Now, where is my fake baby for health class?
What?
There you are. I'm ready. Ooh, eek. I better clean my room soon.
At least I have my kitty cat. Who needs boys, right? I know. It's time to get up. Let's get ready for school. Veronica, get your booty out of the bed and let's go. Oh my God, Mom, I'm coming. Okay, got my purse. Next, I'm going to get dressed. And, ooh, girl, I look good. OMG, Mom, I'm coming. Okay, my babies, I am going to be working late today. I need you guys all to pick up your little brother, come home, make some dinner, get the laundry done. I've got to hand the baby in after school.
I'm busy. I can't be late for my presentation.
You two are unreal. My laundry's already done. But if you guys pick me up, that'd be great. Who's walking me to school?
I guess that'll be me today. Hello, everybody, and hello, my class. Good morning.
Good morning, Miss Wendy.
Okay, so our letter of the day is V. 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 Like vroom from a car. Or vehicle, which is another name for a car. Okay, let's head over this way and look at our V. Oh, we'll wait our turn. Patience. I'm just going to explain the letter V. This is V, and then I'm going to pick who's going to do their words for their V's. Okay, so let's go over here.
So here we have our big V and then our little v. Our uppercase V, lowercase v. Okay, now let's pick some students. Who has V words?
Okay, so I see Carter with his hand up. I see Sage with her hand up. And I see Mikey with his hand up. Okay. Carter, yes, okay. You seem very eager. Let's go.
I've got a word. I've got a word. Now what's my word? I can't remember it. Oh no, can you guys remember a V word? Oh no. Let me think here for a second. Oh, violin. Me and my sister both play violin. That's it. Thank goodness I thought of that one. Whew.
Good job. Woohoo! Hello. Up. My V word is vacuum.
Yes, vacuum is a good V word.
Dating. I love to vacuum.
Awesome job, Carter and Mikey. And now let's go to Miss Sage. Come up, sweetie.
My V word is venom. Venom. V-E-N-O-M. Venom. He's my favorite.
Ooh, that's such a scary villain in the Spider-Man series, isn't it? Okay, I believe that's it for right now, but next you're gonna go to Miss Selina. Hola, my children. I miss you so much. But we are going to start with a science experiment today. So I know you guys were doing V for volcano in Miss Wendy's class, so I'm going to make a volcano outside with sand. Okay, so we're going to build it up around a purple cup. It doesn't matter what cup it is. We're going to take some baking soda. Baking soda has sodium bicarbonate. So let's put quite a bit in there. Keep going. There you go. I have my kids here helping me today. Then for some red dye to show the lava. Then we put some dish detergent to make it bubble.
Ready. And then we bring on another V word. Vinegar.
Back away. The vinegar is made up of acetic acid, and that's the chemical that will mix with the sodium bicarbonate. So when these two mix together, it's called a chemical reaction. It starts foaming up with carbon dioxide gas. Look at it bubbling. This is the same carbon our lungs breathe out, which we'll learn about in next class. Fun fact and very important fact, our plants and trees take that carbon dioxide from which we let go out of our lungs. It cleans it and makes clean air / oxygen for us to breathe. Thank goodness for our green earth. Yeah, mix all that baking soda up and the rest will come out. Isn't science so cool? Bye, miss you guys. Adios. Well, hello there. This is my office. This is where we produce music. I have 2 assistants. Geneviève. She helps me with my everyday work stuff and home life. She's my bestie. Hello, bonjour. And my other assistant, Cleo, helps me keep connected with my clients.
So happy to be here.
Today is Mother's Day, so I'm going to leave early and surprise the kids because they usually have movie nights. Bye, girls. I'm not missing it tonight.
Bye. Have fun.
Au revoir.
I'm just sitting here doing my homework. Oh, hey, you guys. How are you? I've got some milk cookies, finishing up my homework. Whoa, did you guys hear something? It's just me and Jonathan. We're gonna go get some popcorn and snacks. We'll be back soon. Oh, yeah, sure. Bye. Could you maybe get me some Smarties? I love Smarties. Anyways, my sisters are at school, and they'll be coming shortly. Oh my god, could you imagine?
Gamer's night.
Oh, totally. I would love to be on the bike ride.
I mean, I guess I could
get on the bike. Funny. Oh, I know. Totally. We're doing a sleepover. No boys allowed. I wonder where Viola is.
There you
so
are.
Cute together.
Sissy, hurry up.
Excuse me. Private conversation.
Excuse you. Mwah. See you later, beautiful.
Hello.
We're gonna be late. We're having a book club tonight to get out on the motorcycle. Yeah.
Is this not awesome? My mom was able to get off on time for movie night that me and my siblings do all the time. She's great. So we don't have a dad, we have just a mom, and she's amazing. And she had us all by in vitro science. So this is Viola and her girlfriend. Her name is Juniper. She's sisters with my friend Chelsea. Do you remember them from the Easter video? And this is my brother Anthony and his boyfriend Jonathan. They do tons for the environment. They're so cute together. Aww. And this is my sister Veronica. Her boyfriend is in a wheelchair. He's really cool, except for when he keeps breaking up with her. His name's Kenneth.
OMG, Dean, shush.
Bye.
So my mom went to the doctor's office and she was really nervous, but she decided, I want a family. Here we go. The nice nurse let her in, and there was the doctor and the receptionist. They were awesome. They informed her about several things, and then they said, okay, let's go and make you a baby with science. So my mom said, I'm ready, and off they went. A couple hours later, my mom was so happy. Then she became pregnant with my twin sisters. In her belly is Viola and Veronica. She was so happy. Then came along my brother Anthony. There he is. And then came me. I'm in that belly. I love my family so much and I wouldn't change it. So happy. This is my brother Anthony. Mwah! Mom. Mwah! And my sisters Viola and Veronica. They don't like when I give them kisses. But they're stuck with me. Bye.